This week marks the 3-year anniversary of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade. Ahead of the anniversary, Wisconsinites are taking action to have their voices heard heading to Washington, D.C. First News at 9's Alani Claudio met with one of the advocates about her personal experience with abortion access.
Wisconsin abortion advocates are setting off to Washington, D.C., sharing why they believe abortion should be legal in the U.S. without restrictions.
My plan is to tell my story to anyone and everyone who will listen.
Heather Martell, a Chippewa Falls resident, sat down with me about her personal experiences in trying to have a baby.
In 2021, after years of infertility, me and my husband finally got pregnant naturally. It was amazing. It was unexpected. He was our miracle baby. We wanted him. We loved him from the minute that we knew he was there.
Finally pregnant with her second child, Heather began to feel unsettled in her pregnancy, saying repeatedly that something felt wrong.
We discovered at that ultrasound that there were some serious issues with his heart, his spine, and his kidneys.
After more appointments, Heather learned her son Oliver had severe scoliosis and vertebrae that were deformed, interfering with his spinal cord.
Which is why we never felt him kick. He was paralyzed.
The paralysis was just the beginning. Heather sharing he also had a hole in his heart, likely needing surgery within his first year of life, along with other serious conditions.
Also, we were seeing some signs of failure to thrive.
So because of all of these factors,
we felt that it was the best option to terminate the pregnancy. Had our son made it to delivery, he would have suffered incredibly before ultimately dying.
Heather ended up going to Minnesota to have an abortion because she couldn't in Wisconsin.
I had the abortion at 22 weeks, 6 days.
Though this was hard on her and her family, Heather hopes her story can reach the hearts and minds of lawmakers speaking on abortion rights. Her story is one shared by many, showing abortion is not a black and white topic. The Republican Party of Eau Claire's president says there still should be some restrictions, and legalizing abortion shouldn't be a federal decision, saying, quote, the court's decision was necessary as this always should have been a states' rights issue. Heather says she hopes by advocating in D.C., a change can be made. In Eau Claire, Alani Claudio, First News at 9.
Heather says sharing Oliver's story has allowed many women to come forward, hoping legislators can come to an agreement in legalizing abortion.